Hey guys, welcome to the kids channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this toy from Tractor Supplies.
Only $10. But it keep on counting.
Yep, $20. So,
In a real life something.
real life water tank. Let's open it up neatly.
Yeah, because you can leave this box back.
Okay, we'll pause it and tell you when. We'll pause it and tell you when we open it up. And okay, so we have opened it now.
Let's take it out. There's something else. There's this. And then another thing. So I'm guessing we gotta open the water tank. What is it? Do you have another deal? Oh, Maxie, look! There's more. There's this.
Okay, so we got this weed. We got weed. So this is supposed to. I have no clue. But we got this for the tractor.
I'm still gonna open this. To get the last thing.
Here it goes with the putty from church from Radiate.
Yes, that's mine. That's mine. Yeah. You don't know that's not my thing.
I got one already.
Yeah, you got the little one.
And we got this.
This is where I got the supplies.
Yeah. Tractor Supplies is really good. I love it.
So I don't know. I like Walmart.
Yeah, she likes Walmart because Walmart's horrible.
No,
That's why she likes it. It's horrible. Walmart is horrible, everyone. So don't go there and go to the best store you can go to. Tractor Supplies.
I like Walmart.
Tractor Supplies is the
I don't like
best.
Tractor Supplies.
Oh, this would be so good.
Okay, come on, help. I can't even get this out. Like,
Hey, you know what you're supposed to do? Yahoo! We'll tell you when we get that part out. Ding ding.
that's it. It's a dumbo. My God.